ketewa ejina ahinsie mu ensem mu no swafo no hwa ahinsie na afei esom ho ensem so metre chieftaincy and religious affairs minister designated so no wo mu etu no Asamoah Boateng obore mrane se asabi but ensem what to do no wo se bo comment me ho ase ama ne homne so kwa tifi mantem wo so ba bi atifi apoye said o manfo bi nti wo mu ase ni nyina ya ahinsie ni ahintu ho nsem no ni nyina ya Ghana ban mu mpanimfo asede se wo hwe na ye to ye na adwebrew eba
Ebra opanyini a Ghana mampanyin na nadanko akufo ado aboni din se wono ena enkohwe asoye ehwe ahinsie ene esoma wodo so Asamoah Boateng ekotena empanimfo anim no wototo na no obusa ne se ekwan ben so ena sa dibire wode ma na obefa so aboa na mentim ho ase asore oboko no watimi aso ano wode tu dwase ewose afai mienu enam wonso nti entokwa no aba no mpanimfo ne wo motena se no wo hwa asem no pomasibire isanse eyoman no asodie sa asomdwe beba omayi emu.
Current situation, it's maintaining law and order. That's government business. So the state authorities must maintain law and order and bring peace. There is the underlying issue of chieftaincy and land matters. And I said in my interview or my vetting, you need to judge. And luckily for me, I know some of them, in fact, most of them personally. I was local government, so I know Nairi, I know the household, I know the Bawku area very well. It calls for calm. It calls for us to acknowledge that we are a sovereign nation. We cannot fight among ourselves.
Enwechi okade to aso se asofo bi ne mabone a womo eye e wosofo dwumani mu no oba obehwe amane nyina ano abrase eno nso hu nkyeremu sei ene wode etudwa.
Asofo de ne de data crane ho. I mean, as I know from the ministry now, which means there's a lot of work to be done. Until I say about modern year starting a church or a register woman, you whom be a because what you mean of Adom now, what your collection now, which your church and number from not the in Papa move back now or man show. But we are a sovereign country. Until I say to me, manages I until any minister did the agreements, the Bible, and if not Obi anywhere, I said, the young person, but who said, I'm a Kosopa, you be move faster pace, and I would think outside the box most of the time. Tembia, and you be a idea, I know I to me, a move, no,